Precious metal clay is powdered silver and it is mixed with an organic binder. This means that it is like a squishy clay that is full of silver. And I think when you open the packet, you'll realise that it's really heavy in weight because it is packed with silver. You make your piece out of precious metal clay, so it's all squishy, you leave it to dry for 24 hours, and then you essentially burn that powder, the organic binder off, and it means that the powdered silver within the clay then sinters together. And at the end of that, you have a solid piece of silver. So the benefits of using precious metal clay are that you can essentially make whatever you want. You can make molds and push the precious metal clay into it. You can carve it, you can file it, and you can sculpt it. So you can come up with whatever you want to. It's really easy to do, and you can become really skilled at making precious metal jewellery.